Hello and welcome to EveryDadDIY. I'm Gavin. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick shed update. So as you can see behind me, the Perspex has been installed. So that's the first thing I'll give you a look at. So there it is. There's the Perspex all installed. As you can see, the view is absolutely gorgeous out there. You can see right up onto Croken, that's the mountain. There's a wind farm and all up on top. And you can just see all the way around the countryside. Having a window makes so much difference to the workshop. I don't need to have the lights on. It adds so much light in here. As you can see, my last window wasn't up to much. Even if I bothered to clean it, I'd be just looking at the side of a shed. I've also put Perspex on the roof. I've put corrugated stuff on it. If you can remember, over here there was a leak and I kept having to move my tools away from the area because they get destroyed. And I also had a leak down in this corner, and since I put up the Perspex, it's rained a couple of times and I haven't had any bothers, so that's been a really big improvement. And obviously I've raised the roof, you've seen that before, and then I've added storage over this side. So originally, I can't get the whole thing into picture, but originally I was going to go from the ground to the top with all these boxes, but once I put up this height, I was looking at it going, that's a really nice bench height. So I've decided to put my grinder over here, and I'm going to put my vise here as well. I'm also going to cover the wall with all my tools. So then I've got up here then, and then I've got down below as well. I have to make some boxes to go into some of those. As you can see, I've tapered it off at the edges, so it goes in at a 45 on the top and bottom. That just gives me more room to stand over here. Before it was kind of square out to about there, so I was kind of squashing in to use the tools and stuff like that. Now I've got a lot more room, yeah, so that's really good. Other than that, not much has changed. It's been quite full on to get it to this point. Raising the roof and getting the new roofing and all on, and then building in the new bench and the new storage has taken me quite a while. But it's been really worth it. So the next stage is going to be building more drawers and storage under the other benches. So under this bench here and under this bench here. That's going to happen slowly over time because I want to get back to making a few videos. I've actually just uploaded a video there if you want to go have a look at it as well. I'm actually giving away the project I'm making that, so yeah, go check it out. And yeah, so you'll see the workshop slowly changing every video I do. That's pretty much all I can show you for today. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.